Hello students, welcome to my channel ViewMath. Today let's see a problem under section and midpoint formula chapter. Now the problem is, in what ratio is the line of 4, 3 and 2, minus 6 divided by x-axis? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So now what they have given is the 2 points they have given, the line segment, 2 points they have given. So let me explain you with a graph. Now 4, 3, approximately I'm plotting it. This is 4 and 3. 1, 2, 3 in the y-axis. This is the x-axis and this is my y-axis. Now 4, 3 I'm plotting 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 4, 3 is approximately at this point. Now A is 4, 3. Next 2, minus 6. 2, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now 2, minus 6 is here. Now I'm going to draw the line. I'm going to join these 2 points. Okay. Now this is my B. It is 2, minus 6. Now what they're asking us to find out, in what ratio is the join of 4, 3 and 2, minus 6 is divided by the x-axis. Now this is the x-axis. So it is the line AB is being divided by the x-axis at this point. Now they're asking us to find out in what ratio. So this is my M1 and M2. So from where we are starting, from there only we have to write M1 and M2. We should not write it as, here it is M1 and M2. Should not write it like this. Here it is M1 and M2, and the point of intersection is here. Let me take the point of intersection as x. We know that in x-axis y coordinate is 0, so it is x, 0. They're asking us to find out the point of intersection, the p coordinate they're asking us to find out. We know the y coordinate is 0, but we need to find out the x coordinate. So let me proceed. Solution. Let the ratio be, so we have to find out the ratio. So I'm taking, let the ratio be M1 is to M2, and we need to find out the point of intersection and the point of intersection, and the point of intersection is P x, 0. So the point lies in the x-axis, so the y coordinate is 0. X I need to find out. So I have already told you previously with what value I know, with that I have to proceed. I know the y coordinate is 0, so with that I am going to proceed. So y coordinate, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now the A coordinate is 4, 3 and B coordinate is 2, minus 6. It is given. So now this is my x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So now let me substitute it. Here x is equal, y is equal to 0. M1 I have to find out. Let me write as it is M1 into y2. Y2 is minus 6 plus y2. M2 is, I have to find out. Let me write as it is into y1. Y1 is 3 divided by M1 plus M2. Now M1 plus M2 I am taking to the left hand side. It becomes 0. So 0 is equal to minus 6m1 plus 3m2. Let me bring this to the other side. Minus 6m1 becomes plus 6m1 is equal to 3m2. m1 by m2 is equal to 3 by 6. So 3, 1 times 3, 2 times. Therefore, m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. So, first part we have found out. Next, they are asking us to find out the point of intersection. So, x coordinate we know. So, y coordinate we need to find out. So, let me take the section formula for x. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So this is equal to m1, just now we found out it is 1 into x2. x2 value is 2 and x1 is 4. Let me substitute. x2 value is 2 plus m2 is 2 into x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2, which is equal to 2 plus 2 4s are 8 divided by 3, which is equal to 10 by 3. Therefore, the point of intersection is, the point of intersection, the line segment and the x-axis intersect at this point. So the point of intersection is x coordinate is 10 by 3 and y coordinate is 0. So we have found out. Now let me do another problem of the same type. Find the ratio in which the join of minus 4, 7 and 3, 0 is divided by y-axis. In this problem, they are saying that these two points as the end of points of the line segment is being divided by the y-axis. In previous problem, we saw it is being divided by the x-axis. So now it is being divided by the y-axis. If you plot the points, then you will be getting it is being divided by the y-axis. Also find the point of intersection. They're asking us to find out the point of intersection. They're asking us to find out the ratio. So let me proceed. Let the ratio be m1 is to m2 and the point of intersection P is, here the P takes the form, it lies in the y-axis. Any point on the y-axis, the x coordinate is 0, y. So we need to find out the y value. Now I know the value of x is 0. So with that I am going to proceed. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Here A coordinate is minus 4, 7 and B coordinate is 3, 0. So here my x1 is minus 4 okay, x1 is minus 4, y1 is 7, x2 and y2. Okay, now let me proceed. X value is 0, this is equal to m1 I need to find out into x2 is 3 plus m2 I need to find out, x1 is minus 4 divided by m1 plus m2. Now m1 plus m2 if we take to the other side it becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 3m1 minus 4m2. Now let me bring m1 to the other side, minus 3m1 is equal to minus 4m2. m1 by m2, m1 by m2 is equal to minus 4 by minus 3. Negative sign I can cancel. Okay, so m1 by m2 is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore, the ratio is, therefore, m1 is to m2 is equal to 4 is to 3. We have found out the ratio. Now I need to find out the point of intersection. In this x coordinate I know, y coordinate I need to find out. So y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So let me substitute m1, which is 4, and y2 is 0 and y1 is 7. So let me substitute it. y2 is 0 plus m2 is 3, y1 is 7 divided by 4 plus 3, which is equal to 4 into 0 is 0 and 7 into 3 is 21 divided by 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 1 times and 7 3 times, it is equal to 3. Therefore, the point of intersection, therefore the point of intersection Therefore, the point of intersection is x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate, just now we found out, it is 3. So 0, 3. Now let's see the next problem. Points A, B, C and D divide the line segment joining the point 5, minus 10 and the origin in 5 equal parts. Find the coordinates of B and D. So what they are saying is, there is a line segment. Now let me draw the line segment. We have a line segment. Okay. Now the line segment joining the point 5, minus 10. So it is 5, minus 10 at this end, and the origin is in the other side. So 0, 0. Now this line segment is being divided into 5 equal parts. That points are A, B, C, D they have given. So let me divide this line segment into 5 equal parts: A, B, C, D. So I have divided this line segment into 5 equal parts. So you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. The points are A, B, C and D. 5 equal parts means, that is, for example, from here to here, if you take, it is 5 centimeter, means from A to B is also 5 centimeter. B to C is also 5 centimeter, C to D is 5 centimeter and D to the end point is also 5 centimeters. Now 5 centimeters, if I take, the ratio is 5 is to 5 is to 5 is to 5 is to 5. So if I cancel, it is 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So I can take, this is 1, 1, the ratio is 1, 1, 1 is to 1 is to 1. Okay. Now the point A, it is being divided into 5 equal parts. So at the point A, what will be the ratio? M1 is to M2 is, the left side of A is 1 part. So 1 is to the other side of the A, from here to the end point, it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the ratio that A divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 4. This is the meaning of it. Now if we take B, now the left side of B we have 2 parts and the right side of B we have 3 parts. So 1 plus 1 is 2 parts and the right side of B we have 1, 2, 3, so it is 3 parts. So B divides a line segment in the ratio 2 is to 3. Now C. Now C, if I take the left side of C, I have 3 parts and the right side of C, I have 2 parts. So C divides the line segment in the ratio 3 is to 2. Now you can say how the D divides by yourself. Yes, it is 4:1. So the left side of D it is 4 parts and the right side of D it is 1 part. So this is the way the points divide the line segment when all these points are being divided in the equal parts, equal ratio. If it is like this, then we can take like this. Now we know the ratios now. The points A, B, C, how it is being dividing, how it is dividing the line, we know the ratio. Now what they're asking us to find out is, find the coordinate of B and D. So they're asking us to find out the coordinate of B and the coordinate of D they are asking us to find out. Even if they ask us to find out A and C also, we can find out. But in this problem, they're asking us to find out the coordinate of B and D. So let me find out B and D. And in a similar way, you can also find out the coordinates of A and C too. Now, for B, first let me find out the coordinate of B. So now for B, what is the ratio for B? The ratio is, for B the ratio is M1 is to M2 is equal to, B ratio is 2:3. Okay. Now X using the section formula, X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. Now let me substitute it. Now here what is my X1? This is my X1, this is my Y1. Here X2 and Y2 value. Okay. Now M1 is 2 into X2 is 0 plus M2 is 3 and X1 is 5 divided by M1 plus M2, 2 plus 3. So 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into 5 is 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. X coordinate we have found out. Next let me find out the Y coordinate. Y is equal to, let me write the formula, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Now let me substitute it. M1 is 2, Y2 is 0 plus M2 is 3, Y1 is minus 10 divided by M1 plus M2. Now this is equal to 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 10 is minus 30 divided by 5, which is equal to minus 6. Therefore, the coordinate of B, therefore the coordinate of B is 3, minus 6. Next, they are asking us to find out the D coordinate. So let me find out the D coordinate. For D, what is my M1 is to M2? M1 is to M2 is equal to D. For D coordinate, M1 is to M2 is 4:1. Okay, 4:1. Now let me find out the X coordinate. Let me write the formula. M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. So this is equal to, M1 is 4, X2 is 0 plus M2 is 1 into X1 is 5 divided by 4 plus 1. So this is equal to, 4 into 0 is 0, 5 into 1 is 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. Now let me find out the Y coordinate using the section formula. M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Now let me substitute the values. M1 is 4, Y2 is 0 plus M2 is 1 into Y1 is minus 10 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 10 by 5, which is equal to minus 2. So we have found out the coordinate of C. Therefore, the coordinate, therefore the coordinate of C, sorry, this is therefore the coordinate of D. Here they are asking us to find the coordinate of D. Therefore the coordinate of D is 1 comma minus 2. So we have found it. Similarly, we can also find out the coordinate of A and C using the ratios 1:4 and 3:2. So here they are asking us to find out B coordinate and D coordinate. Hence we have found out. Next problem, the line joining the points A minus 3 comma minus 10 and B minus 2 comma 6 is divided by the point P such that PB by AB is equal to 1 by 5. Find the coordinate of P. So what they have given is the line joining the point A and B. So now we have a line. A coordinate is minus 3 comma minus 10 and the B coordinate is minus 2 comma 6. This is the line we have. It is being divided by the point P. So the point P divides this line, okay, such that PB by AB is equal to 1 by 5. So what they have given, the ratio is PB. PB is 1. From P to B the ratio is 1 and AB is 5. So what they have given, AB, this whole ratio they have given, this whole ratio is 5. So in 5 parts, PB is 1 part. So what is AP? AP is remaining parts. That is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4 parts. So AP is 4 parts. So like this we have to find out the ratio. Now what from the given ratio? Let me explain once more. PB is 1 and AB is 5 they have given. So PB is 1 part. AB, the whole part they have given from A to B, the whole part is 5 they have given. The whole totally it is 5 parts. In that PB is 1 part. So what will be the remaining AP? AP is 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4 parts. So what is the ratio? The point P divides the line AB. So the left hand side is 4 and the right hand side is 1. So the point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 4:1. Now they are asking us to find out the coordinate of P. Let me take it as x comma y. So let me proceed. So once if we find out the ratio, then we can proceed with the same procedure which we have followed in the previous problems. So what is given? Given is PB by AB they have given, which is equal to 1 by 5. So what we have found out? AP is to PB we have found out. AP is 4 is to PB is 1. So the ratio is 4:1. That is M1 is to M2 is equal to 4:1. Now x coordinate, let me find out using the section formula. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. So this is equal to, now what is my x1? This is my x1, minus 10 is y1, this is x2 and y2. So let me substitute it. M1 is 4, x2 is minus 2 plus M2 is 1, x1 is minus 3 divided by M1 plus M2, it is 4 plus 1. This is equal to 4 minus 2 is minus 8. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 divided by 5, which is equal to minus 11 by 5. So the x coordinate we have found out. Now let me find out the y coordinate. Y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Now let me substitute. M1 is 4, y2 is 6 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 10 divided by m1 is 4 plus 1. This is equal to 24 minus 10 by 5, which is equal to 14 by 5. So we have found out the coordinate of P. Therefore, the coordinate of P is, the coordinates of P is, x value is minus 11 by 5 and y value is 14 by 5. So we have found out the coordinate of P. Let's see the next problem. P is a point on the line joining A 4, 3 and B is minus 2, 6 such that 5AP is equal to 2BP. Find the coordinate of P. So what they have given here is, now we have a line segment. We have a line segment. A is 4, 3 and B is minus 2, 6. Now the point P divides this line segment. Now what is the ratio? They are asking us to find out the coordinate of P. So let me take it as x, y. We need to find out x and y. So first we should know the ratio, how it is being divided. Then we can proceed using the section formula. So what they have given, from the given condition I need to find out the ratio. So what is given? Given is 5AP is equal to 2BP they have given. So I can write this as AP by BP is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore, AP is to BP is equal to 2 is to 5 they have given. So AP, what is AP? It is 2. So here it is 2 and BP. BP is from here to here or PP, whatever it is. PB or BP, both are same. So this is 5. So from the given condition, we have found out the ratio. It is 2 is to 5. So M1 is to M2 is, M1 is to M2 is 2 is to 5. So we have found out the ratio. We know the endpoints value. Then we can use the section formula to find out the coordinate P. Now this is my x1, y1, x2, y2. Now let me substitute in the formula to find out x and y coordinate. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now let me substitute it. m1 is 2, x2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 5, x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2. Now this is equal to minus 4 plus 20 divided by 7. So this is equal to 16 by 7. X coordinate is 16 by 7. Now let me find out the y coordinate. Write the formula m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now this is equal to 2 into y2. y2 is 6 and y1 is 3. Now let me substitute. y2 is 6 plus m2 is 5 and y1 is 3 divided by 2 plus 5. So this is equal to 12 plus 15 divided by 7. So this is equal to 27 by 7. Therefore, the coordinates of P is, x coordinate is 16 by 7, y coordinate is 27 by 7. So we have found out.